Today I'm going to show you something that has caused almost 1 million views of a short video I made about it across TikTok and Instagram. It's something that is extremely helpful in the workshop and it only costs about 13 quid. So stick along and let's check it out. Hey, thanks very much for joining me. I'm Dean, this is Woodwork Journey, and today's video, as I said in the intro, is about something that I made a short about. It's got nearly 1 million views in the space of a couple of weeks, which is absolutely mental. I never want another viral video again. There's just too many bings and bongs on the phone that you have to turn off, and thousands of likes and all this sort of nonsense. Anyway, the point, I also don't get paid a penny for any of it, which is very annoying. But moving forward, what we're going to talk about today is this. Now, this is a pen and pencil, but it's also a black, a blue, a red pen and a pencil, all in this tiny little thing. And it works in a magical way. Let me show you more. And here is the pen. As I mentioned, this is by a company called Online, which is a German company. You can see their logo on the clip going on right there. You've got the release button at the top, which is solid at this point because nothing's pressed in. We've got the pressy anything. We've got blue, black, red, and 0.7. And that's the pencil, obviously. And then under there, we do have an eraser or a rubber as well. And I guess you could replace that if you really wanted to. But yeah, this is a gravity pen and it works it's a very clever thing. So we will choose there at the moment, we've got blue facing up. So we'll press that in. And then we've got a blue ink coming out, right? Then we can press that in, which is the release. And then we'll choose black. Oh, I know that didn't go into focus then. There you go, black. So we'll choose that one. And once again, now we're writing in black. And then we'll press the release once again, like that. And then we'll move that around to red, like so. Red. Then we'll do the release. And then 0.7, we've got the pencil. And while it's in pencil mode, you can also still increase and decrease the length of the lead by just pressing the button in and out like you do. And then you can leave it out just a sort of a workable amount. Pop it in to retract it. Choose a pen color, do whatever you want to do with that. And then when you come to the pencil again, we're already sticking out a little bit. Isn't that clever? But yeah, that's it. That's how the thing works. Now, it does take standard refills. Here we've got the pencil, we've got the pens, and the refills, a pack of 5, I believe, are like under a £5, I think. And it's 0.7 leads. So that's all fine and dandy. Super easy to replace as well. But like I said, it works on a gravity system, so you get out whatever is at the top. It doesn't have to be a certain sequence like a lot of people suggested it might be. It is just gravity. So we can go to red there, and then we can go all the way around to the other side and have that as blue if we want to. And then we can go all the way to the other side again and go red again. And it's just, it never gets confused. It's just so clever. It's brilliant. And it's super light as well. As far as length goes, we're looking at around 15 centimeters with the end bit, which is about 6 inches, and that is just a touch longer, just a hair longer than the OG Bic. But obviously on the OG Bic, you haven't got the same kind of process and you haven't got the gravity fed and all that sort of stuff. It's chunkier and it's, I mean, it is lighter, but yeah, this I think just makes for a more eloquent workshop solution. So I think we can all say that it looks pretty cool and it works in a kind of a magic way. I know it's a gravity fed pen. You don't have to do it in certain sequences. You don't have to do one thing and for the other or anything. You can just do it whatever way you want to do it. And I think that's brilliant. But if you are like me and you use a red pen, I got this trick from watching Rob Cosman videos, that a red pen when marking out dovetails can oftentimes be really useful, or a black pen if you're on a light wood, or a pencil pencil if you're just sketching something out or you don't want to stain the wood or whatever else, rather than having multiple things in your apron or on your bench or wherever to get lost. If you're just having one of these and you keep hold of it in your apron or whatever, then you've always got 3 pens and a pencil in this tiny little thing. Like I said, the refills, the pen refills are a £5, just under a £5 for 5, I think. And I think you get a bunch more if you do. I'll put links down below. But yeah, I just think it's really clever, and it's going to turn into something where I'm going to buy more of, because it's not just going to be a staple in the workshop. It's also going to follow me around all over the place, because I just think it's so damn clever, and I just really like it. It's sort of somewhere between the thickness of the biro and a sort of thinness of a pencil, but I don't know. Anyway, if you've liked this, let me know your thoughts, and I will leave affiliate links all down below on Amazon. I'm not doing this just to try and flog them. I'm doing it because I genuinely think it's magic, and it's quite cool to have in the workshop. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this short one today. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.